Hi, this is Crypto from Goshen Crypto and Arbitrage Trading platform. I want to show you how to open an account that will be very important for you. An account, they call it Gray. Foreign, you can see it here. Gray. Foreign bank account for Africa. So you can use this one to receive pay from any foreign account in USD, in GBP, and in Euro. So you can see they are telling me welcome. So already I'm signed in already. This is the account, gray.com. You see, I have a GBP account, I have a dollar account, and I have euro account, and I also have a Naira account. So I can receive money from anywhere in the world. Now look at it. You have free GBP account, free United States account, USD, free Euro and Nigeria. You can also get other African countries like KES and Uganda currency here. So I want to carry us through how to open this account. Okay, let me sign up. Let me log out and sign up. So when you go to your Google Play and you type gray.co, you get this particular homepage, and you come to this place where they write create account. This account is like Wise. It functions like Wise account, so you can use it for your international transaction. So you come to create account. So these are the data you need to fill: first name, middle name, last name. Ensure you fill accurate data: your phone number, your email address, your password, and the referral code. So I'm going to be putting a referral code here now because I want to sign up another account. So this referral code will be in the link in the description. Use it to get $5 as a bonus when you transact up to $500. So I'll be creating an account, but this is a personal data. I won't like to share it. So majorly you put your first name and make sure you use this code. It will be in the description, link in the description. Make sure you use this code so that you get $5. Okay, let me pause and fill in the details. So as you can see, after registering, an OTP has been sent to the number. I will be putting it now. So I want to check my phone for the OTP. We are doing live registration. As you can see, the OTP, okay, they sent it to the email. Okay, let me pause this video and get it. Okay, I believe you can see now that after you have entered the OTP that is sent to your email, you see you need to verify your account. You need to verify you have verified identity via our email OTP. We need to verify documents and review, and so that they will review KYC, so that you're able to have this very beautiful account. So you see you are almost done. Finish your account setup. So I'm going to include date of birth and some other things here. You can see date of birth, gender, occupation, country, status, your zip code, your home address. I will indulge us the home address you are going to be using here. Make sure it is what is on your bank statement. Don't do that mistake. Make sure it is what is on your bank statement exactly. Then, so the utility you are going to be uploading is your bank statement. You can see bank statement. Then what will you use Gray for? You are going to use it for international transfer. So let's see their options. You can see the options, what you'll be able to use Gray for: receive salary, receive money freelancing, receive money from family and friends, send money to family and friends, make international payment for services. So I prefer you use this, or you use this, freelancing, or you use this. Don't use convert my foreign currency. So I will input these details and we'll continue the video. So guys, you can see I've submitted the document. Remember, I told you when filling the address, make sure you put the address that is on your bank statement, because you're going to be using your bank statement as utility. And very good thing here is that you can upload PDF, JPEG, any format. So this is the last step. You can see here I've submitted. I say this is the last step. We require you to upload a live copy of your government ID. This include international passport, national ID, or driver license. So if you have international passport, you upload. If you have national ID, that's your premium NIN. I have a video. Check my videos, among my videos, how to print your premium NIN. It won't take you it won't cost you more than 2,000 to do that. So driver's license, if you have that, you can use it. So accepted, these are the accepted documents. A live photo of your ID on another screen, a laptop, not supported. So the original document, not a copy. Show your face clearly, so not blurry, and it should be a live photo. So these are their criteria. So you can see, you can open this account, unlike Wise that you can open Wise only when Wise with only international passport. You have an opportunity to get an international account with GBP, that's pounds, dollar, even KES and euro, using your national ID. Remember, you should be able to check the description to get the referral code, so that you can get a bonus of $5. Okay, we need to pause the video so that I can upload this. Okay, you can see when I continue to upload passport and the ID card. So I'm going to be uploading ID card, proving my identity, that's the national ID. You can use premium NIN here. You can use driver license and international passport. That's the advantage of this account. And you're going to be doing a live selfie. So where I am now, there's no much light, so I'll need to do that in a daytime. So guys, kindly take good opportunity of this and create this account, so that you can be able to use it for international transaction. You can use this as a receiving account from Neteller, from Skrill, from Payoneer, from PayPal, from Wise, and you can even use it together with Binance. So I'll not be doing this step now, but this is all you need to know about opening Gray accounts. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. Also note that the bell button, if you hit it, you get a personalized notification whenever I upload a video like this. Kindly use the referral code. It will be in the link in the description, and I showed you the referral code while starting this video. So take advantage of that and earn yourself $5 also. Thank you.